Hey everybody, Joe Vinorni-Cherry at the Geek TV. We're back here at San Diego Comic-Con 2022. We are talking about the new WB animated film, Green Lantern, Beware My Power. And look who we have from Westworld, the Man in Black. He's no longer the Man in Black, he's the Man in Green, and he's not the Green Lantern, he's the Green Arrow.
Flipping.
What's it like playing Green Arrow?
It's a dream come true, to be honest. I've always loved Green Arrow. I've loved Green Lantern first. He was my first superhero love. And so just being in this world in general, and they've written such a great little story. It's huge, actually. And stuff happens. Did you watch it?
I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, baby.
I know you're premiering it tonight.
Oh, Papa. You're gonna like it.
And were you a big fan of Green Arrow growing up and comic books?
I was a fan of Green Lantern.
Okay.
I wasn't a big comic book reader.
Okay.
No. But yeah.
What can you tease about your role in this new film?
Green Arrow is tasked with basically training the new Green Lantern. And, Arrow's used to doing his own thing, so he's not the most patient, paternal fellow. So they come to blows, but delightful, friendly blows. And then they save the world.
Well, we can find out more about saving the world when Green Lantern, Beware My Power. It comes out on digital, 4K, Blu-ray, DVD, July 28th. Stay tuned for more coverage here at San Diego Comic-Con 2022.